Introduction: a garden that gives back. Where beauty meets everyday living. A modern productive garden is much more than a collection of plants. It is a thoughtfully designed outdoor space where beauty, comfort, and functionality exist together. Imagine stepping outside your door into a lush landscape filled with colorful flowers, fragrant herbs, fresh vegetables, and inviting seating areas that encourage you to slow down and enjoy nature. These gardens are becoming increasingly popular because they transform unused outdoor areas into spaces that nourish both the body and the soul. Whether your home has a spacious backyard or a compact courtyard, a productive garden proves that elegance and practicality can grow side by side. Planning the perfect garden layout. Designing every corner with purpose. The foundation of every successful productive garden begins with a well-planned layout. Instead of randomly placing plants, modern garden design focuses on creating clear zones for growing, relaxing, entertaining, and walking. Raised garden beds can define vegetable areas while winding stone pathways guide visitors through flowering borders and shaded seating spaces. Every square meter serves a purpose without feeling crowded. This organized approach makes gardening easier to maintain while creating a visually balanced landscape that feels peaceful, welcoming, and naturally connected to the architecture of the home. Raised garden beds with modern style. Growing food in elegant structures. Raised garden beds have become one of the defining features of contemporary productive gardens. Built from natural wood, corten steel, concrete, or stone, they create clean geometric lines that complement modern homes. Besides improving drainage and reducing weeds, raised beds make planting and harvesting far more comfortable. Vegetables such as tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, peppers, and carrots thrive in these carefully managed spaces. When combined with decorative flowers and aromatic herbs, raised beds become beautiful focal points that prove edible landscapes can be every bit as stylish as ornamental gardens. Mixing vegetables with ornamental plants. A garden full of color and harvest. Modern gardens no longer separate flowers from vegetables. Instead, they combine both to create vibrant landscapes filled with seasonal beauty. Purple cabbage pairs beautifully with lavender, while bright marigolds surround tomatoes and basil grows beside elegant roses. These combinations create visual interest throughout the year while attracting beneficial pollinators that improve crop production. The result is a living masterpiece where every plant contributes either beauty, food, fragrance, or ecological value, making the entire garden feel rich, colorful, and full of life. Herb gardens that delight the senses. Fresh flavor just steps away. Nothing compares to harvesting fresh herbs moments before preparing a meal. Modern productive gardens often dedicate attractive spaces for herbs like rosemary, thyme, mint, parsley, oregano, basil, and sage. These fragrant plants can line pathways, fill decorative containers, or occupy raised beds close to the kitchen entrance for convenient access. Beyond their culinary uses, herbs release wonderful aromas that make outdoor spaces feel calming and inviting. Their varying textures and shades of green also add depth and sophistication to the overall garden design. Fruit trees for beauty and abundance. Edible landscapes with lasting charm. Small fruit trees offer remarkable value in productive gardens by combining ornamental beauty with generous harvests. Citrus, figs, apples, pears, peaches, and dwarf varieties can all become attractive landscape features while producing delicious fruit year after year. Spring blossoms create spectacular displays, summer foliage provides cooling shade, and colorful fruits become natural decorations during harvest season. Carefully positioned fruit trees also create vertical interest, helping the garden feel layered, mature, and connected to nature without overwhelming smaller outdoor spaces. Comfortable outdoor living spaces. Relaxing among nature every day. A productive garden should also invite people to stay and enjoy its beauty. Comfortable seating areas surrounded by greenery create opportunities for quiet mornings, afternoon reading, family meals, or conversations with friends. Modern pergolas, wooden decks, gravel patios, or simple stone terraces blend naturally into the landscape while maintaining a clean architectural style. Soft cushions, outdoor lighting, and climbing vines complete these relaxing retreats, allowing homeowners to fully appreciate the peaceful atmosphere their productive garden creates throughout every season. Sustainable gardening practices. Growing responsibly for the future. Today's most inspiring productive gardens embrace sustainability without sacrificing style. Compost bins recycle kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil, rainwater collection systems reduce water waste, and natural mulches help retain moisture while suppressing weeds. Native plants attract pollinators and beneficial insects that naturally control pests. Solar-powered garden lighting minimizes energy consumption while extending outdoor enjoyment into the evening. These environmentally friendly choices create healthier gardens while demonstrating that responsible living can also be elegant and beautifully designed. Vertical gardening for small spaces. Expanding the garden upward. Limited outdoor space should never limit creativity. Vertical gardens maximize growing potential by using walls, fences, trellises, and hanging planters to cultivate vegetables, herbs, strawberries, and flowering vines. Green walls transform ordinary boundaries into living artwork while freeing valuable ground space for larger plants and seating areas. This design approach is especially effective in urban homes where every centimeter matters. The result is a lush environment that feels surprisingly spacious despite occupying a relatively compact footprint. Beautiful garden paths and walkways. Connecting every outdoor experience. Pathways do much more than connect different areas of the garden, they shape the entire visitor experience. Natural stone, gravel, brick, or stepping stones gently guide movement while protecting planting areas from foot traffic. Curved walkways encourage exploration, revealing new perspectives as visitors discover hidden seating areas, flowering borders, or vegetable beds. Bordering these paths with ornamental grasses, herbs, or seasonal flowers softens hard surfaces and creates a seamless transition between architecture and nature. Smart irrigation and easy maintenance. Keeping the garden healthy with less effort. A productive garden should be enjoyable rather than overwhelming to maintain. Modern irrigation systems, including drip watering and automated timers, deliver moisture directly to plant roots while conserving water. Choosing low-maintenance perennial plants reduces seasonal work without compromising beauty. Organized planting schedules and efficient garden layouts simplify harvesting and care throughout the year. These practical solutions allow homeowners to spend less time on routine maintenance and more time enjoying the rewards of their flourishing outdoor sanctuary. Lighting that extends garden beauty. Creating evening magic outdoors. As daylight fades, carefully planned lighting transforms the productive garden into an enchanting nighttime retreat. Soft pathway lights improve safety while highlighting architectural features and beautiful plant textures. Warm LED fixtures illuminate pergolas, raised beds, and fruit trees, creating gentle layers of light that enhance depth and atmosphere. String lights suspended above outdoor dining spaces add warmth and charm for evening gatherings. Proper lighting ensures the garden remains welcoming long after the sun has disappeared. Creating a personal garden sanctuary. A space that reflects your lifestyle. Every productive garden should reflect the personality and lifestyle of its owner. Some homeowners prioritize family gatherings with spacious dining terraces, while others create peaceful meditation corners surrounded by ornamental grasses and fragrant flowers. Decorative pots, handcrafted benches, artistic sculptures, and personalized planting combinations make each garden truly unique. The most memorable outdoor spaces are those that combine practical food production with meaningful personal touches, creating environments where cherished memories naturally grow alongside healthy plants. Conclusion: bringing home and nature together. The lasting joy of a beautiful, productive garden. A beautiful, productive garden represents the perfect harmony between thoughtful design and everyday living. It offers fresh harvests, colorful flowers, peaceful relaxation, sustainable practices, and inviting outdoor spaces that enrich daily life. Whether large or small, every garden has the potential to become a welcoming extension of the home where beauty serves a practical purpose. With careful planning, creative planting, and a commitment to nurturing nature, anyone can build an outdoor sanctuary that inspires comfort, encourages healthier living, and truly makes every visitor feel at home.